you're into RC cars at all, I highly recommend checking out a channel called kpopRC.
That was fast. That was a year. This is kpopRC thanking all 86,000 of you dudes for coming out, watching, commenting, and thumbsing up. This past year, K-pop released 35 videos. We got 3.5 million views. We got 63,000 subscribers. We got 69,000 likes. Everywhere I check the analytics, they're just crazy. Take a look back at this insane year. We had some serious fun. From Adamlz's project to the boats, to the fifth scale crashes, the 3D printing madness, and much, much more.
I decided I'm going to be keeping the SR20 in my car, and I'm going to be putting the 2JZ in an S15.
Stay tuned for your RC fix with plenty of drift content, including actual RC drifting this year. Who woulda thunka? And tons of build series. So, hold on to your butts. That's it for this episode of kpopRC. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to sub up, thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, alright? We got some pretty epic shit in the works. The Scale Drift project is in the works. We're renting a space to do the shoot, and I've already said too much. K-pop out.